And another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Okay, no more voiceover for this part because I got some explaining to do. So what happened was I realized my part is crooked as fuck. First, it don't really matter though, whatever. But second of all, like when I was first trying out like this bun, it wasn't working, so I had to like actually go look in the mirror and like redo the ponytails and make them tighter. And then I kind of experimented. So what you need is your braiding hair, and I got the Femi collection, and it comes with like 3 bundles, but I just had 2, and I just opened the second one. So, you know, it's not super long, which is perfect. So what you're gonna do is take this and then split it in half, and then you get this. So this is half of 1 bundle, and then you're just gonna take it and split it in half again. And then I made one of the sections a little bigger than the other one. So first I'm gonna take the small section, smooth it out really well, and I'm just going to twist it in the opposite direction like so, and then put my finger there. And now this is the tricky part. Just place it and bring it around, almost like you're about to twist. So twist it for about 2 times and then combine it into one. And then twist the hair around itself, like so.
I'm so anxious just to feel the sun.
It's so quiet, but I hear you. Say it to me, baby. Said our time will make enough time. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just alone with you.
I'll bring you back down. It's not finished. I know it looks crazy. Actually, it don't. It looks cute, but we want it to look like this side. So now I'll just take the other like section of hair and smooth it out. Get the little straggly ends. This is cute. If I would have did like a full style instead of like half up, half down, I think this would be super cute. I should try that. But you're gonna twist the middle again so you can anchor it around your bun, like so. Twist for like 2 times and then twist it around itself. The only difference is this time you're not gonna twist it all the way down. You're gonna twist until it starts like doing that little thing like that, like around itself. You don't want it to stay straight. You want the hair to start crimping up, like so. So you might have to like bend it as you're twisting. Twist it really, really tight. And then let it like do that little thing. And then now you can, I'm trying to cover my real hair. I don't know if I can, but it's not the same size, so I'm just going to take one more piece of hair and one more section and do the same thing. You gotta make them even. Okay, so let's just but let's make sure that we secure this too. So I'm just gonna take a bobby pin and like stick it underneath and make sure it goes like underneath my ponytail and it goes through the bun so that this is not going anywhere. And it doesn't really matter if the bobby pin is showing like in the back, just because you're gonna take care of that when you put your hair on in the back, you know. This is really cute. All right, so the final part is the wig. So I have this half wig and I will put the name down here below. like on the screen, and I'm also gonna put the link in the description. I did a review on this wig before, and right now I think the curls are just a little combed out, sorry. So I'm gonna try this one on. I have 2 half wigs that I want to see how this style is gonna look with, so just bear with me. And see, the thing is, my head is so small, and I used a lot of like my hair in the front to make this style work. This is super cute. This is so cute. Right? Like, I love this. I love this one. All right, y'all. So this is the finished result. I went with the second, or was this the first wig? Well, I went with this one. My mom calls it Holly. It's so cute. But yeah, I thought that this wig really complimented the buns a lot more than the other one did, and I just decided to add some jewels to it. It's really, really cute. It's really festive. I had a promotion to film, so this is why I'm all glammed up. It's supposed to be like holiday makeup, so I tried to make it festive, you feel me? I feel like I definitely did that. This is a really cute look. I'm about to go take some pictures, but yeah, I just added some jewels in here with some lash glue, and then in my edges as well. And I'm not naked. I got on the top, but my chi-chis are pushed up to the god. Baby, my titties fake, they plastic. Ooh. All right, that's enough. So I will be sure to put the link to this wig down below, and I'm also gonna link the video to where I reviewed this wig and showed you how I styled it. So make sure that you check that out. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.